So you watch a lot of reselling content, which is great because that's what I do. But now you're like, I want to do this for a living. Well, what are the steps you need to take before you become a full-time reseller? Step one, and the most important step that most people don't do, is create a budget. If you go into Excel, they have a template where it's just a monthly budget. Go in there and put all of your numbers, everything from your credit cards, phone bills, rent, mortgage, whatever, and do it as accurately as you can, and it's going to spit out a number. That number is going to tell you how much money you need to make every single month to break even. Now you need to find out where your regular job is, if it's here and your reselling's here. If you lose this income, you need your reselling income to be up here, even above that. So if your reselling income isn't lapping your regular income or making more than you need to live on regularly, don't become a full-time reseller. Just do it as a hobby or a side hustle for the time being until it does.